Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install an accessories relay.
Okay, so the wire I'm gonna use is this one. It's basically the light for the license plate. So I'm never gonna have problem with the two principal lights, with the position light and the brake line, of course. So I'm gonna wrap this wire around this one here, weld it with the soldering gun, and gotta remove the trigger wire to put this one for replacement, and this one gonna be wire directly here, so that was gonna be my trigger for the relay. Be sure to don't have some sharp point. There we go. So it's gonna be the trigger. So yeah, just like that. Okay, so now the weld is done. So basically the first wire here, I have a fuse right here, and continue here, it goes to the positive red wire to the relay. I have a brown here, it's a ground, goes to the battery, and goes to the black of the relay here, so this is the ground of the relay. So the green, it's the power switch it you're gonna have with the relay, with I got with the relay. So this one goes to my USB charger, and of course the USB charger need a ground too. So we're gonna have two ground, one for the relay and one for the USB charger, and just one fuse, because the signal came from the real light. In fact, came the same voltage as the tail light, and the tail light have a fuse, so I don't have a fuse this part. So this is it for the setup. I'm gonna show you the final product in a few minutes. Okay, so this is the final result. So the relay was in place, all wired, and now when I turn the key, my USB charger goes on. Oh yeah. So that was a pretty easy project. You can do this in your garage without problem. That's cost me, I think it's like $10 for the relay and $2 for the socket. And you gotta need a fuse too, so it's maybe a $20 project. And this way you never forgot on position your USB charger and drain all the energy you have in your battery, and it cannot start the bike anymore. So this is it for this project. I hope you like it, and see you in the next video. Peace.